Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering JavaScript testing. In this video, we'll delve into 3 crucial aspects of testing your JavaScript applications: unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end (E2E) testing. Hey there, fellow developers. Today, we're going to demystify the world of JavaScript testing. Let's start with unit testing. Unit testing involves testing individual units of code in isolation. This ensures that each function, method, or class behaves as expected.
Code example: JavaScript function add a, b, return a plus b, / unit test for the add function test adds 1 plus 2 to equal 3, equals greater than, expect add 1, 2,
to be 3, semicolon. Next up, integration testing. This type of testing focuses on interactions between different units of code, ensuring they work together seamlessly. JavaScript / example integration test using Jest and React testing library test renders learn React link equals greater than, render app, greater than const link element equals screen. Get by text / learn React / I, expect link element to be in the document, semicolon. Finally, we have end-to-end testing. This type of testing simulates real user scenarios, ensuring that the entire application behaves as expected from start to finish. Code example using Cypress, JavaScript / example E2E test using Cypress. Describe my first test, equals greater than, it visits the kitchen sink, equals greater than, sigh. Visit https:// example. Cypress. IO, sigh. Contains type. Click, sigh. URL. Should include, /command / actions, semicolon. By combining unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing, you can ensure your JavaScript applications are robust, reliable, and bug-free. Remember, testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about building confidence in your code. Happy testing, everyone!